Welcome back to Grammar Grade 12. This is Unit 1, Lesson 9, and today we're turning to one of the most versatile words in the language, the adverb. Adverbs are the words that fine-tune a sentence. They tell us how, when, where, and to what degree. Once you can spot them and name exactly what they're describing, your writing gains real precision and control. Let's dig in. Let's begin with what an adverb does. An adverb answers one of four questions about the word it describes. How? She answered calmly. Calmly tells how she answered. When? The guests arrived early. Early tells when. Where? Set the crate there. There tells where. And to what degree, or how much? It was extremely cold. Extremely tells us just how cold. How, when, where, to what degree. Keep those four questions in your ear, and you'll hear an adverb coming. Most often, an adverb modifies a verb. It sharpens the action. Take this. The violinist rehearsed patiently. Rehearsed is the verb, the action. Now ask one of our four questions. Rehearsed how? Patiently. That word, patiently, is the adverb, and it points straight back to the verb. Watch the arrow reach from patiently to rehearsed. That's the adverb telling us how the action was carried out. Whenever a word tells how, when, or where something happens, it's modifying the verb. Here's what makes the adverb so flexible. It doesn't only modify verbs. It can also modify an adjective or even another adverb. Look at the first line. The results were unusually clear. Clear is an adjective, and unusually tells us to what degree. So unusually modifies the adjective clear. Now the second. She spoke quite softly. Softly is itself an adverb, and quite tells how much. So quite modifies the adverb softly. Verb, adjective, or another adverb. An adverb can sharpen any of the three. Now, a warning that saves a lot of mistakes. It's tempting to think every adverb ends in ly, but plenty of the most common ones don't. Very, quite, almost, often, never. All adverbs. No ly in sight. Here, there, soon, to, so. Adverbs again, every one. So don't trust the ending. The ly is a helpful clue, not a rule. The real test is never the spelling. It's always what the word modifies. Now the skill that ties everything together, naming the exact word an adverb modifies. This matters because the same word can be an adjective in one sentence and an adverb in the next. Take the word early. In an early train, early describes the noun train. It tells which train. So there it's an adjective. But in the train arrived early, early tells when the train arrived. It modifies the verb arrived. So now it's an adverb. Watch the arrows. One reaches to the noun, the other to the verb. Same word, and yet what it modifies decides its part of speech. So always ask, which exact word does this describe? Let's turn the whole lesson into a quick check. 1. Does the word tell how, when, where, or how much? If it does, you're likely looking at an adverb. 2. Find the exact word it modifies. Don't guess, point to it. 3. Ask what that word is. If it's a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, then your word is an adverb. But if it's describing a noun instead, it's an adjective, not an adverb. 3 quick steps and you'll never mix the two up again. Ready to practice? In this first set, I'll give you a sentence with one adverb in it. Your job, find the adverb and name the word it modifies. Pause the video and decide before I reveal each answer. The engineers worked tirelessly through the night. Scan for the adverb. That's tirelessly, and it ends in ly, a good clue. Now, what does it modify? Ask, worked how? Tirelessly. So tirelessly modifies the verb worked. That was an extremely difficult decision. The adverb here is extremely, and notice it does not modify a verb. Difficult is an adjective describing the decision, and extremely tells us how difficult. So extremely modifies the adjective difficult. The runners will arrive soon. Look for the adverb. It's soon. Don't be fooled that it has no ly. Plenty of adverbs don't. Soon tells when they'll arrive, so soon modifies the verb arrive. Now a different challenge. In each sentence, I'll point to one word, and you decide, is it an adjective or an adverb? Remember the rule. What the word modifies decides. If it describes a noun, it's an adjective. If it describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, it's an adverb. Pause and choose before I answer. The word is fresh. In. The chef prepared a fresh salad. Ask what fresh describes. It's the salad, and salad is a noun. Because it modifies a noun, fresh is an adjective. The word is correctly. In. She answered the question correctly. What does correctly describe? Answered how? Correctly. It modifies the verb answered. Since it modifies a verb, correctly is an adverb. The word is daily. In. The daily newspaper arrived on time. It ends in ly, so you might guess adverb, but check what it modifies. Daily describes the newspaper, and newspaper is a noun. It modifies a noun, so here daily is an adjective, not an adverb. What the word modifies always decides. Let's gather it all up. First, an adverb answers one of four questions: how, when, where, or to what degree, and it can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Second, don't lean on the ly ending. Many of the most common adverbs, like very, quite, often, never, and soon, have no ly at all. So trust what the word does, not how it looks. And third, the key skill. Name the exact word your adverb modifies. If it describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, it's an adverb. If it describes a noun, it's an adjective instead. That's Unit 1, Lesson 9. Next time, in Lesson 10, we turn to prepositions, the small words that show how a noun connects to the rest of the sentence. I'll see you there.